French toast is one of those recipes that's simple enough for everyone to prepare. And best of all, with such minimal and simple ingredients, you can make it just about everywhere in the world, and it makes for a beautiful and delicious breakfast or brunch to share with your family and friends, or even to make just for you. And I'm going to show you just how simple it is to make. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so to make our French toast, I'm going to start by whisking 1 whole egg. Into my egg, I'm going to add some milk, some ground cinnamon and ground nutmeg, and last but not least, some vanilla extract. And just whisk everything together until it's thoroughly incorporated. And then I want to slice my bread into thick slices. And then one by one, I'm going to dip my bread into my milk and egg mixture, being sure to thoroughly coat each side of the bread. Beautiful. So now I'm going to keep going until all of my bread is thoroughly coated. Okay, so I'm going to add a little pat of butter to my frying pan, and on medium heat I'm going to place my French toast in one by one. And I'm going to add a little extra butter just to make sure they don't stick and for a little kick of flavor. And then once they're golden brown, it's time to flip. And once the French toast have cooked on both sides, it's time to take them out of the pan, and it's time to showcase your best creativity skills. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of sugar, some strawberries, a little pat of butter, some Nutella, and a little drop of your favorite Greek yogurt or cream. And voila! There we have our delicious strawberry Nutella French toast. Bon appetit!